I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to talk about Cheetah and the website settings. So the first thing I need to do is enter into a current website or even create a new website. It doesn't matter which one. We'll go ahead and go into a website that already exists. So I'm going to click Edit Website. Now I'm in my website dashboard. This is where I can start working with my website. And on the left-hand side, I've got a menu item that says Website Settings. In this area, everything I do is going to affect the entire website. So let's go ahead and click in there and see what's there. So there are three major areas in website settings. There's General Settings, and if I collapse that, there's then SEO Settings and Script Settings. So the first area, General Settings, if I click that to open it or expand it, I can change the title of the website, the URL of the website, the description of the website, and then I can also add a favicon. Favicons are those little bitty icons that are up in the browser window on the tab of the browser. You can choose to click this choose button and add your image that you want to use of the favicon. The next item is what separator do you want to use between the page name and the layout name. So if we're talking about the tab on your browser, a lot of times on the tab, you'll see the name of the website and also the name of the page. There's a divider typically between the name of the website and the name of the page. You can choose what you want that divider to be. So it can be a pipe symbol, it can be a tilde, or it can be a dash. I like the pipe symbol. That's my favorite one to use. Once we configure everything in that area, we can collapse it and then go to SEO Settings. So I'm going to expand that area. And in here, I can add my keywords that I want to use for my entire website, and then also my meta tags that I want to use for my entire website. Once I have those in there, I can collapse that area and click the script settings. And here, I can add any scripts that I need for my entire website. I can also add my Facebook pixel script, and I can add an analytics script like Google Analytics. Once I get all of that entered, all I have to do is click Save. And that will save all of the items that I set for my website settings. And remember that everything I change in this area affects the entire website. So that's how you change your website settings inside of Cheetah. Have fun building something amazing with Cheetah.